House Solon to hail the president's latest plan to certify as urgent amendment to the rice tarification law have bum-rushed their edited version of the RTL when it passed muster at committee level earlier today. And its principal sponsor is highly confident to clear all inquiries and deliberations all the way to the plenary. PTV correspondent Melalas Moras tells us more on the odds of rice fetching for 30 pesos a kilogram.
We need to do something now, kaya kailangan po mag-intervene ang National Food Authority dito. Bigyan ng kapangyarihan makapagbenta ang NFA sa mga palengke like before. 2018, 2017 nakakapagbenta, ewan ko kung sinong ang nag-aproba nito na inalisan ng kapangyarihan ng NFA na magbenta sa palengke. Kung sino man yung na yan, mali. We should bring this back. We should bring NFA back in the market para everybody can afford, can buy rice.
After several days of panel debates and thorough deliberation, the House Committee on Agriculture, chaired by Quezon Representative Mark Enverga, has approved today the proposed amendments to the rice tarification law that aim to bring down rice prices. The committee's approval came after President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. announced that he was prepared to certify the proposal as urgent. According to Chair Enverga, in line with the directive of House Speaker Martin Romualdez, they really expedited the passage of the bill to urgently provide the public with cheaper rice through the National Food Authority. Under the RTL, the selling of NFA rice in the market was prohibited, which Congress wants to reverse, as also supported by the Chief Executive.
We will ensure that there will be the presence of NFA to stabilize the price of rice. Kinakailangan that they should also be there para panlaban din po ng gobyerno sa mga mapagsamantalang mga traders sa merkado.
So Sir Bale, ang amendment is every day may NFA rice na sa palengke?
Well, in accordance to our bill, the presence of NFA is always there. So it would depend on NFA, could be subjective to the situation. It's looming, they're always there.
The proposal will still undergo scrutiny in other committees before being brought to the plenary for final deliberation. But even the lower house approves it on final reading in the coming days, the bill must also be approved by the Senate. That's why House Deputy Majority Leader Erwin Tulfo said,
Baka pwede naman sumabay na lang kayo sa bersyon namin, isantabi muna natin yung mga business interest, personal interest natin, unahin po muna natin yung interest ng mga tao nang nakakarami sa atin. Otherwise, wala mangyayari. Kaya tayo napupulaan ng taong bayan, puro tayo forma, puro tayo kwento. Why don't we just do our work, let us unite, para sa isang mission, ang mission natin, everybody can buy rice.
Meanwhile, while waiting for the enactment of the bill amending the RTL, the House of Representatives and the Department of Agriculture agreed to make NFA rice available first in Kariwa stores at the soonest possible time. Speaker Romualdez is eyeing to have below 30 pesos per kilogram of rice available by July.
Gagawin po natin lahat. Yun po ang goal natin na aagahan natin yung pagbaba ng presyo ng bigas. Swerte naman din tayo ay lahat ng ibang mga commodities na gaya ng manok, itlog, asukal, lahat ng ibang mga commodities, bumabagsak na yung presyo at sa abot kaya ng lahat.
Dati, sir, nakatali yung kamay ng DA and NFA due to yung certain laws that we have existing. So, meron tayong pinababago sa batas at hopefully ma-pass ng Congress ito para mabigyan ng leeway na mag-intervene ng DA and NFA sa issue sa bigas.
Melalas Moras from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.